Welcome everyone. In this video, we will explore the different data types that are supported by the Python. A data type tells the Python what type of data you are working with and what you can do with this data. Python has a seven major data types. We will see each one of these data types. So on this slide, we will see the first data type as a numerical data type. In this, we have the three types. First is the integer. As we can see, the 12 and 56, these are the integer values. Second type is the float. It is the having the decimal values 34.89 and 10.4. These are the float value. And third is the complex data type, in which there are the two types. First is the real part and second is the imaginary part, which is denoted by the J part, which is the imaginary part. A syntax is the we can write the variable name on the left hand side and then is equal to sign. On the right hand side, we write the value. Here is the one example. Temp1 is the variable name and 12 is the value for that variable name. Strings. It means that sequence of characters. Here we can see the syntax, which is same as that of numerical data type. Just the difference is that in the string we write the values inside the double quotes, but the numerical values are written without these quotes. Then comes the Boolean data type. It helps in decision. Possible values of the Boolean data types are either true or false. Remember that first alphabet in true and false should return in the capital letters. Then comes the most important and most useful data type, which is the sequence. Sequence stores multiple values. We have the three different types. First is the list, which is known as mutable data type, which means we can edit the list at any moment. Tuple, which is immutable, we cannot change that value after defining it. Third is the range. In simple terms, range means how many times. Here is the example. I have written the temp4 as a variable name, and on the right hand side, I have written these three values inside these brackets. This bracket is denoted by list, as temp4 is the list name, and 12, 34, and 5, these three values are stored inside this list. Set. Set stores only distinct values, and another type of that is the frozen set, which is a immutable. Immutable means after defining the values, we cannot modify these values. In mapping data type, we have the dictionary, which maps two values, which is the most powerful, which is supported by the Python language. As we can see here, it is a pair of key and value pair. Key and value in between, we should write the colon. This is the syntax, and this is one of the example. Temp6 is the variable name, and this bracket is denoted by dictionary. The first tuple is the number, and value is the 2345. In the second tuple, I have written the course, and value is the Python. Remember that whenever we are dealing with a string data type, we should write this in the single quotes or double quotes, and whenever we are dealing with number data type, we should not mention in the double quotes. Thanks for watching.